Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from quantitative aptitude. We all know that quantitative aptitude is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most easiest portion also, as it doesn't have any com conceptual complexity in it, and most of the questions are basically depend on your computation skills. Therefore, it is pretty much easy to score high in this portion. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. The first problem is 15.20 square minus 103.04 divided by an unknown number is equals to 8, and we need to find the unknown number. Okay, so by the rule of Bodmarsh, the first preference for operation is for division. Therefore 103.04 divided by the unknown number is equals to 8. Then we get 103.04 is equals to 231.04, which is the square of 15.20 minus 8, and that results in 223.04. Hence 103.04 divided by 223.04 is equals to the unknown number, and it results in 0.46. Therefore option 5 is the correct answer. Now let's check the next question. Question number 34. It says that 560 divided by 32 multiplied by 720 divided by 48. Okay, so first of all, by the preference we have to do the division first, then comes the multiplication. Okay, and 560 divided by 32 means 17.5, and 720 divided by 48 means 15, and after completing this multiplication we get 262.5. okay, therefore option 1 is the correct answer. Now let's check the next question, that is question number 35. 3.2% of 500 multiplied by 2.4% of question mark is equals to 288. Okay, we know from the Bodmarsh rule that by the preference uh, of is the first operator in it. Therefore 3.2%, that means 3.2 divided by 100 multiplied by 500 multiplied by 2.4 divided by 100 multiplied by question mark is equals to 288. Now this results in 3.2 into 5, which is 16, multiplied by 2.4 divided by 100 is equals to 288. Therefore the unknown number is equals to 288 into 100 divided by 16 into 2.4, and after some calculations we get 750 as answer. Therefore the option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, you can drop a message in these two numbers, that is 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details about different courses in our classes, you can go through our website, which is www.saurasasclasses.com. Thank you very much.